2 homes on a 50 by 100 lot in Myrtle Point. Could be a good rental investment or live in one and rent out the other. Fenced yard. They both need work. One has had some renovation done but needs to be finished before you could live in it. The other is in need of renovation. 1 bedroom/1 bath, approximately 500 square feet, and 1+ bedrooms and 1 bath, approximately 700 square feet. This one is priced to sell. Call today for an appointment to see them. It won't last long.